Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your students to upload file in Google Form while giving online examination. And if you are a student, you can also watch this video to know different methods to apply to upload a file in Google Forms. So without any delay, let me begin the video. But before I start the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can receive latest updates and information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And like, share and comment on this video. If you are using a laptop or desktop, then let me show you how to upload the file answer using file upload option. So I believe that your teacher must have shared the question paper using WhatsApp or Gmail account. So let me open the Gmail account and then let me open the question paper which I have received to answer in the Gmail account. So here you can see this is how to upload file question paper itself. Here the instruction is clearly given. Write this answer in a A4 size paper and click the photograph and upload, or write the answer in Google Docs and upload the file as per the instructions given to you by your subject teacher. There is one more way. You can write the answer even in MS Word document and can upload the file. So I am going to show you all the different methods. As a teacher, you can explain to your students, or if you are a student, you can learn how to upload the file. So let us first fill out the form. Here you can see how to upload the file. Instructions are also given. So first I am going to explain the method to apply to add file if you are using a laptop or desktop. So the question is here and you have to write the answer in the MS Word file. So let us go to the MS Word file. Let us create one document here, and here I have selected MS Word document. Let us title or give name to this document as answer. Okay, and inside open the document and write the answer. So whatever question is asked, write the answer to the question and then save this document. Close. Now come back to the Google Forms. Now select the question, add file option, and here you can see you can insert the file, upload from your device. So select files from your device. So let us click select files from your device and then come to the file upload. Here the MS Word document. Click the MS Word document, select open, and here you can see the file is attached, and now you have to click upload. So once you click upload, it will take some time depending upon the capacity or GB of the document, and here you can see the file has been successfully inserted into the Google form, and then you have to submit. To submit, click this button submit. Now once you select that submit, here you can see your response has been recorded. Now let me tell you or let me show you another method to submit this form. Let us click once again, and now you have written the answer in MS Word document and you have uploaded in the previous attempt. But if it is a mathematics answer or any other answer which requires to write the answer in a piece of paper and to upload the file, if you are using laptop or a desktop, then you have to take the help of the mobile phone and you have to click the photograph and you have to upload that file. Okay, but the problem is if you take mobile phone and if you click the photograph and if you try to upload the file using your mobile phone, that cannot be possible because you are giving online examination in your desktop or laptop. Now if you click the photograph and if you try to upload the file into the answer form or Google form using your mobile, that will not possible. If you are using laptop or a desktop and if you have written the answer, you have to click the photograph using mobile phone and then upload the photo into your Google Drive. Open your camera and then click the photograph, and once you select it, once you click the photograph using your mobile phone, then open the photo. If the image is clear, then what you have to do is you have to upload this photograph into your Google Drive, and then you can insert that into the Google form. So now let us upload this photograph into your Google Drive. So save to drive. Okay, so you upload the photograph first into the Google Drive and then select the photograph from the Google Drive and insert that Google Drive photograph into the Google form. So let us upload this file. Click save here. So preparing to upload the file, and now select that file in the Google Drive and upload. Now let me show you that it is in a JPG format. So let us select add file, come to my drive, and here you have to select the photograph which you have clicked. So let me select one photo, and here you can see the photo is inserted. And now what you have to do is you have to submit the form. So if you are using laptop and if you happen to write the answer in a piece of paper, then you have to click the photograph, but don't try to upload the photograph using mobile phone. You have to upload the file into the Google Drive and then select that photo and then upload the photo. So this is the second method if you are using laptop or a desktop. You want another method. Let me tell you another method. The question is given here and you want to upload the file using your laptop only. Then you have to open Google Docs here. In your Google Chrome, you can easily open the Google Docs. Click the or select the Google Docs. Come to Google Docs. And then open the Google Docs here. You can see here, go to Google Docs. If you have logged in into your Gmail account, then Google Docs will be accessible from your laptop or a desktop. And then here you can see, click this blank document, and once you click this blank document, you will get one document here. So type the answer here, whatever question is given to you, according to that type this answer here and name this file as answer, and it is auto saved. And now you have to close this document. Okay, once you close the document after writing the answer, come back to this question, click again add file, go to my drive and type the file where you have written the answer. So the name of the file is answer. So here you can see the answer, select that answer, and here you can see the answer file is inserted. Now what you have to do to upload the file into the question paper, click submit. So this is the third method. Now in case you don't have laptop and you don't have desktop, you are using only mobile phone. Majority of the students, they use mobile phone only to give online examination. Now if you are using mobile phone to give online examination, then let me show you how to upload the file using mobile phone without any problem. Now I am going to show you how to upload the file in Google Form using your mobile phone. So first let me open the Gmail account. If your teacher has sent the question paper through your Gmail account, you can open the Gmail account and you can fill the form. Or if your teacher has sent the Google Form link through WhatsApp, you can open the WhatsApp. So here let me open the question paper link here. Once you open the question paper link, same instruction. So let me directly start the fill out form. So select fill out form. Now here you can see the add file option is there. Then you have to write the answer first and then you have to click the photograph to upload the answer into the Google Form. That is one of the methods. So let me demonstrate that. So select add file. Once you select add file, here you can see there are so many methods to upload the file. First one is direct upload the file. Select the file from your device. So let us click select files from your device. So once you select files from your device, clicked, you will see here you get options, choose an action. You can use camera, you can use camcorder, you can use voice recorder, or you can use even files to upload. As you have written answer in a piece of paper, so let us first click the photograph of the paper and submit the form. So for that, let us select camera here. Once you select the camera, now here let me show you the answer paper. I have written just answer, and let me click the photograph. So once you click the photograph, here you can see the option retry or OK. If the image is clear, then select OK. If the image is not clear, then select retry and click again. So as the image is clear, let me click OK. Once you select OK, here you can see the image has been already inserted. Now what we have to do is, you have to select this upload option so that the image can be uploaded into the Google form. So let us select upload. So here you can see, depending upon the file size and depending upon the internet connection speed, it will take some time to upload the file into the Google Forms. So if there is a slow internet connection and if the image is large, then it will take some time to get it uploaded into the Google Forms. So you have to wait for some time, and you can easily upload the form. This is one of the methods to upload the file to submit the form. Most of the students get panicked when they can't upload the file. No need to worry. There are other methods also you can follow, apply to upload the file into the Google form. This is one of the methods. So here you can see the file has been successfully uploaded. Now what you have to do is, you have to submit. So let us click submit here. So once you select submit, if the file is attached properly, it will be uploaded into the Google form. So here you can see your response has been recorded. Now some students, they face problem to upload the file because the file may be in a different format, but generally in Google Forms you can upload the file in JPG format, document, or even PDF, image also. So now second method, let me show you. Now the second method is, when you click the photograph and when you try to upload the photograph into the Google form, if it failed, then let me show you another method. So let us submit another response. Come back here, and here again go to add file option. Now here you can see select files from device. Now when you select the same photograph again to upload, it will again fail. So for that, what you have to do is just minimize this form, then open your camera and click the file. Don't open the add files from Google form. Just open your camera and then click the photograph, and then open that photograph image, and then details, select details, edit the photo image. Okay, then title, see here you have to change the title, otherwise once you upload into the Google Drive, it is difficult to find the image. So let me give this as answer 1 and then save. Now what you have to do is, now this is answer 1, come back, okay, and select this share option and upload this file into your Google Drive. So click here, save to drive. So once you upload the image into your Google Drive, you can directly select the image from your Google Drive and you can attach that image to your Google form and you can submit the file. So let us click save, and your one file is being uploaded to class 12. So where it is uploaded also you have to remember. You can see here it's almost all uploaded into the Google Drive. It will take some time to upload the photographs into the Google Drive, so you have to wait, and if you are a teacher, you have to tell the students to wait for some time. So here you can see one file uploaded. Now what you have to do is, you have to come back to the Google form and then now select this add file. Now this time we are not going to upload the file from the device, we are going to upload the file from Google Drive. So select my drive and here search for that file. Already you have given the name for that file, so you have to just enter that answer 1. So here you can see the image came in JPG format, so select that image and the image is successfully attached. Now you have to submit the form. So this is the second method. If you can't attach the JPG image when you click from your mobile phone. Now another method is if you want to write the answer using your mobile phone, that is also possible. For that, what you have to do is first you have to download Google Docs app into your mobile phone. Here you can see I have already downloaded the Google Docs app here. So you can also download the Google Docs app into your mobile phone and open that Google Docs app and select a new document. Click here, a new document or choose template, open new document and write the answer in the Google Doc. Of course, it is not very comfortable to write the answer in the Google Doc using mobile phone, but if it is a short answer and if it doesn't require a lot of words and it doesn't need a lot of answer to be written, then you can write the answer here and then save the file in the name of answer. Okay, so here you can see answer file I have written. So let me give the name to this file and then save. So here untitled doc, so let me select that untitled doc and let me give the name to this file, answer 1. So let us click OK. Now this file has been already saved into your Google Docs. Okay, so here you can see I have written this answer in the Google Doc. Now what you have to do, go back to your Google Forms. Now let us submit another response. Now come back to the question. Now select add file option. And from this add file, you have to select again, select from your device or more. See my drive. So select my drive. Okay. And then here select answer 1. So here you can see that document, it's not image, answer 1 is the Google Doc. So select that answer 1 Google Doc and here you can see even answer written in the Google Doc also inserted properly into the Google form. Now what you have to do is click the submit. So in this method you can even use your mobile phone to click the photograph and upload the file into the Google form, or you can click the photograph, save the photograph into the Google Drive and attach that image into the Google form and you can submit the form. And in third case, you can download the Google Docs app into your mobile phone, write the answer, save the Google Doc and open the form and open the Google Drive, search for the Google Doc and then insert that Google Doc and upload the file into the document. These are the methods you can suggest to your students to upload the file into the Google form using either laptop or mobile phone and to submit the form without any problem. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates and information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And always remember, stay home, stay safe and stay strong. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.